Hello dear friends, today we will make one salad sweet and sour. And why I say sweet and sour? Because we add fresh fruit like blueberries, raspberries and nice Greek grapes, some roasted almonds, some Roquefort cheese and a sweet chili sauce, a sweet chili dressing. Let's start and make first the dressing. I take this plastic bowl, it helps me a lot, and I will add white vinegar, honey, mayo, and olive oil, salt, pepper, and soya sauce. Let's start together. Our sauce must be not so thick but liquid. Our sauce is ready. I will take a mixing bowl and I will cut my fresh lettuce. In this part, I will add my fruit, the cheese, and in the end, the sauce. We will mix it, we will serve it, and on the top, the roasted almonds. And now it's time that we will try this nice and amazing fruit flavored salad.